Magandang araw! Here are some of the never-before-seen footage of the making of Tara, Invest in Zambales. I hope you like it! Our first stop is Masinloc, Zambales with my co-business counselor Kelvin Fule na kahit umuulan, tuloy pa din ang shoot.
Welcome, Zambales, home of the sweetest mango.
This is my first time here at Oyon Bay, Masinloc. Masinloc and Oyon Bay is a protected landscape and seascape under the DNR Zambales. Nag-scroll kami sa kanilang public market para bumili ng suman na babaunin sa aming biyahe. Sinubukan namin sumakay sa bangka na patungo ng San Salvador Island. Pero dahil maulan, hindi na kami tumuloy sa isla. But we are grateful to meet these employees from San Salvador Island. Yung madulas ang rampa, kaya kabado kami na umakyat.
Okay po. 1, 2, 3.
Invest in Zambales.
Patungo naman kami sa Candelaria, Zambales upang i-feature ang Wakun Lake, the cleanest inland body of water in Central Luzon. Napakasarap ang biyahe dito pa norte sa Zambales kasi walang traffic. Narating namin ang barangay Wakun Candelaria bago magtanghali. Dito sana kami sa The Barge, floating restaurant kami magla-lunch pero sarado pala sila tuwing Monday. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Kamusta naman ang mga cameramen namin?
Wakun Lake is known as the cleanest body of water inland.
Maraming salamat Barangay Captain Eraso sa mainit na pagtanggap. Habang patungo kami sa susunod na destinasyon, nadaanan namin ang Gigasol Palawig Solar Farm. The 2.39 billion solar facility that generates over 90 million kilowatt hours of clean power to support the country's power demands. This is also the first of AC Energy's 5 new plants to begin operating in 2021. And for our next stop,
Welcome to NW Farm. Let's go.
NW Farm Zambales is a farm that offers high-valued crops such as dragon fruit, papaya, honeydew, and many more. Masarap sana mag-fruit picking pero hindi pa daw ready for harvest. Amazed na amazed ako sa laki ng mga papaya. Mapapasana all ka na lang. Wow! Sa pamunuan ng NW Farm, maraming salamat sa mainit na pagtanggap. TikTok time! Pampawala ng pressure. At syempre, magpapahuli ba naman ang aming Provincial Director? Pide Enrique Takbad. Dancerous yarn.
Good morning, everyone. We are here at Zambales Provincial Tourism Office.
With Ma'am Maria Litetela Dimora, the head of Zambales Tourism Office.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kelvin. Good morning, Joanna.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell us about what Zambales can offer to our investors?
Okay, Zambales is quite ready to receive
Bisitahin naman natin ang Zambales Pasalubong Center, located behind the San Agustin Cathedral, Iba, Zambales. Tampok dito ang mga produktong gawa ng Zambaleño tulad ng Coras Cashew, mango products by Green Thumb. Meron din silang mga fashionable bayong bags, souvenirs, at home decors na gawa sa serpentine stone.
Invest in Zambales.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Tara! Invest in Zambales! Yeah!
Nakapamili na kami. Ready na for the next stop. Narito naman tayo ngayon sa Botolan, Zambales at silipin natin ang Pamana Heritage Museum.
3, 2, 1, go!
We are here at Balin Pamana Botolan Heritage Center. And this is the first local museum being managed by the local government unit here in Zambales. 5, 6, 7, 8. We are here at Balin Pamana Heritage.
Distracted yan?
Okay.
Di ko na-anticipate, mabigat pala yung pinto.
Welcome to Balin Pamana Botolan Heritage Center. This miniature of Mount Pinatubo was constructed and developed by a local artist from Botolan. And then we have the Tukal. The Tukal was also constructed by a local artist. We did not import artists from other municipalities or provinces.
Ipinakita sa amin ni Ma'am Cecil ang official tourism video ng Botolan, Zambales kung saan kamangha-mangha talaga ang ganda ng Botolan.
If you are looking for a friendly community to open and expand your business. Take lang. Ready na, direct? If you are looking for a friendly community to open and expand your business, products to maximize your experience. Sorry. Last na.
Last shoot na namin dito sa Bukaw Bridge kung saan tanaw na tanaw ang ganda ng Bukaw River. Thank you, production team!
It's really good to invest here in Zambales, you know. Hello guys. You know, it is really good to invest here in Zambales because of its infrastructure, medical facilities, friendly people, and accessible markets to everyone.
Maraming salamat po! Hanggang sa muli!